Oh, oh, where are you going? Hey, listen, if I'm going to take the time to teach you how to do all this stuff, then you get your butt back out in that garage. And then you smash the subscribe and like button because I'm an awesome guy and I like to give free information. So you should do me a favor. But don't be walking away. We got things to learn today and to fix. So you better go grab your tools and get out in that garage right now. Right now. What are you waiting for? Go. Jeez. What's going on, guys? Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for the information I give you. It's me and my beautiful girlfriend traveling the world. We accept cups of coffee donations. If you guys would like to do that, you can do that right here, or here, or here, or one of those places. We take all that money and put it back into the camper, gas, parts, whatever we need. I try to help you guys with good information. And, I work on the back scratch principle. Scratch yours, you scratch mine. It helps everybody's all gravy. You don't have to, but at least smash the like button and subscribe. Alright, let's check this out. By the way, I'm about to get rid of all that flowery stuff. Got my memory foam mattress, been completely designing my own setup inside this thing. I wanted the amenities of home when we travel and do BLM land and all that kind of stuff, so I got a 60-inch screen with a projector setup instead of doing the little TV up there in the corner of RVs like most people do. I decided to do a complete 60-inch full blast screen. It is the same length as the bed. It still allows you to walk through on each corner or get up underneath. It's not in the way of the door, and I can screen mirror to this. It also plays through the audio system through Bluetooth in the trailer, which then has speakers indoor and outdoor, which is cool. If I want to have the projector outside on the camper, I can do that. But check this out. So right now I have it just connected to my long cable HDMI. That is my Steam Deck. So I have my entire game system that'll play PS5, Xbox, and PC gaming on that handheld. But it'll go on the Steam Dock over there with an HDMI cable that runs along the wall, and then blast it up here on my 60-inch. So when I lay down, I can just grab my Steam Deck. And actually, I'll have controllers. I won't have to just use the Steam Deck with the cable. I just connected it temporarily to the HDMI port on here just to show you guys how this will work. And boom, now while I'm laying in my camper, I have 60 inches of greatness playing through surround sound in the entire trailer. And I can do all my gaming while sitting on the bed from right here. So, if we do this, oh my god, this sounds crazy. Huh? How crazy is this? Oh, this is so savage. Yeah, I wanted a complete setup in this trailer if I was going to do it. So if we're going big. I've got the entire, like I said, these Steam Decks, yes, they're very expensive, but it keeps you from having to buy a PS5 or a Xbox, whatever the new Xbox is, or a PC laptop. This does it all. Plus, it just doubles as a complete handheld system in its own right. So, oh, the sound is coming through the whole trailer. It sounds crazy. It sounds crazy, let's just say that. Oh my god. It's gonna make movies in this thing so badass. Oh. Alright, let's just hit start. And this is 1080 at 60 hertz. I want to say it's 1080 at 60 hertz. Let's go to campaigns. We'll just start playing Halo Reach. Why not? Boom, resume. So like I said, the handheld has everything installed on the SD card. It's a complete gaming rig in its own right. It sounds so wild coming through the sound system. Oh my god. Alright, so, but you get the picture. I wanted my setup to be awesome. This is awesome. This is full HD, high res, greatness, big screen, 60-inch loveliness, all in your face. Oh, it's just awesome. Absolutely awesome. The sound coming through the trailer is so wild. Alright, anyways, enough of that. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions about how I did the setup, this projector is just a mini projector, but it is pretty fantastic. It definitely is HD and gives very, very clear visuals. So for such a small projector, it's literally the size of my hand. For such a small projector, it puts out some serious horsepower when it comes to video games and whatever else. And actually, my Steam Deck will allow me to bump this up to 4K, and the projector can handle 2K. So I should be able, at least be able to bump this up to 2K. This cable that I have connected only allows up to 1080. So anyways, just wanted you guys to see that. Pretty sick. It's an awesome little setup. And then when I'm driving, that just rolls right up and velcros right to the ceiling, and I can either leave it hanging like that because you can walk completely under it, or I can remove it off the hooks and put it right in the storage underneath the bed. So yeah, it's awesome. I know, you don't have to tell me. It took me a long time to think of how I wanted to do this and make it sweet and not be in the way of anything and still get my awesome gameplay if I want it, or movies. And this is like basically a home theater in your face while you lay in your bed. This is awesome. Just awesome. Plus the ability to just Bluetooth directly over there to that and play it through the camper speakers. Yeah, sick.